Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're on the channel for the very first time, please hit the word subscribe. If you're watching this video and the word subscribe is still in red, it means that you're not subscribed. So today we are in Clarendon and we're shooting a wedding. We're at the church waiting for the bride to arrive. Alright, stick around until later. I'm going to try to share some of my camera settings. I'm definitely going to include some of the photos so that you can see what the work looks like. If you like the videos that I do, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're on this channel for the very first time, you need to subscribe. Subscribe to support me, subscribe to help my channel to grow. I'm trying to get to at least 5,000 subscribers anytime now. Alright, so stick around guys and see you later. Peace. I'm going to attach a microphone to the groom so that we can get some audio. Just for the sake of the vows, this is my Movo wireless mic system. I'm going to be using this today. I have my GoPro on my head, so you'll see from my perspective what's happening, you know. You get the gist. See you later. Ready? So, okay guys, we just finished the ceremony aspect of the day. Just finished shooting the ceremony and we're moving to a location now for the photo shoot. And the camera is turning and I don't know why. It's coming back around. Accident! Accident one. We get let me make an idea. Yeah. And Davince Duncan reporting for ProCut Multimedia News. Let me just turn on my GoPro here. Huh? No. This is spy device. Okay, guys. So nice, sir. Both of you look at me. You see, you go. Just look at me. Give me a nice smile. So you want this store to be on the wall in your living room, all right? Some people come inside. This is what they're going to see. Yeah, put it behind. Yeah. Right in this. Good, looking good now. Ready? Nice, sir. Don't have a problem with it. It look good from far. When you zoom it like zoom. It's coming with. So now my eye look that way. Then you must relax the face. Just look and smile. Let's pray for green man. Here it is, see? Ready? Let's try the shot one more time. Nice. Alright, bring your head up and turn your head toward me. Just look at the camera for this one. Good. Nice, smile still. So look at your wife, look at the camera. look on her like you want her, man. Shane, so you look at the husband look at the camera. Nice. Perfect. Hold it. So look at each other now and smile. Nice. I like that. Alright, good. I still wanted to get the shot that I never get a while ago, right? So you know drop man. Ozzy, hold it good. Hold it, Ozzy. Nice. Look at the camera. Nice. Ozzy, whisper something sweet in our ears. Yes. Ozzy, whisper something sweet in our ears, though. Good. Alright, can I get a full one? Let me get the bread alone. Just standing right there. Alright, come. Turn your body a little bit that way. Right? How you feel? You feel alright? You want a level spot? I understand, but don't hold over your lumpy. Ready guys, keep it. You know Smiley not going on, nobody serious like be a police officer there, so. Let's try again. Smiley style, smile. Smile again, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Yeah! Good, perfect. Well, so when my head is in, you kiss, you're gonna use the both hands together if you're gonna block the camera from seeing the faces. So you're gonna see the ring, your ring finger, yeah. So you hold it up like this. Can I touch you guys? So my hand them cross like so. And go together like so. Block the kiss. Will I run our waist? Kiss. But make sure this are black so I can't see the lips. This the rings in. That means we're licensed. Ready? Put the hands together. Okay, good. Oh, let me get one more. Good, thank you. Alright, let's do a silhouette shot now. Turn this way. We just warm up now. Ready, silhouette. Okay guys, so we just finished the photo shoot. See? And I was using the 85mm a while ago. And this is the 50mm 1.4 Zeiss. I actually had the 35 and the 60 Mark II. And I got some shots. I'll show the shots and I'll show some of the camera settings. I totally forgot to tell you guys what the settings were because of the stress. But you know what these days are. Anyway, so I have CVE, the big bad cinematographer behind the camera. I shoot some big music videos. I'll leave some of the links in the description so you can check them out. And I'll try my best to show CVE face. You know I don't like camera still, but CVE, thanks. Here are many thanks. We're heading to a little reception party kind of thing now, and I'll see if I can show you guys some of that. Keep watching.